Adding a table to a website can be one of the more complicated things to do, especially if you're not familiar with code, and quite honestly, even when you are familiar with code, it's not exactly fun. So my favorite plugin to do this on a WordPress site is a plugin called TablePress. It is freely available in the repository, so you can just go to Plugins and Add New and search for TablePress, and this is what you're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and install it and show you how to create a table real quick. So we do install, we do activate, and then it will show up over here on the left in your menu list. We're going to go to add a new table, but you can also import a table from a CSV file, or you can do a CSV, you can do something from an existing HTML file, from JSON, or from an Excel file. So we're not doing that though, so we're just going to go to the add new and create our own table. And let's say I'm making a table for some past events. So I'm going to give the table a name so I know what it's for. And we're going to talk about the number of rows that I want. So this is a basic mock-up of the kind of information that I want to display in the table. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and as you can see, 3 columns. So we're going to do 4 rows and 3 columns, and it's going to set that up for us. If you decide that you need to add more rows or columns later, you can easily do that, but this is just a good way to get started. If this is your first time using TablePress, you can follow along with the tips here, but I'm just going to go ahead and dismiss them. And then each of these boxes is going to be kind of like a little mini editor window. So back to my table here. The event that I wanted to put in there is WordPress for Beginners. This is a class that I did. This is a class that I'm planning, and it's going to be at the Wilkins School Community Center, and I'm going to have a registration link, and we're going to put April 2018 as the date. So I'm going to go ahead and copy in all of the other information. Now, let's say that, apparently copy and paste is not my friend today. That's okay, we'll just type. Now let's say that for these I wanted to add a link to where they can download a PDF of the handout that I had for that event. So I could type in the URL for it, but there's another easier way. I'm just going to click out of there for now, and I'm going to go down here to where it says Advanced Editor. And then it'll see a notice pop up that it wants me to click in the cell that I want to use the Advanced Editor in, and that's this one, and I get a little mini editor just like the standard WordPress editor. So I'm going to go ahead here and click Add Media, and I'm going to upload a PDF. So we're just going to drag that PDF file over here, and I'm going to go ahead and click the Insert into Table. And now I want to change this text, the actual link text, to, let's see, we're going to call it Download Handout. And then go ahead and click OK. And so now it has added the link code in here for me. Now, I have the same handout for the other one, so I can copy and paste that down there. But again, if I wanted to add another link here, I click the Advanced Editor, and then I click into the cell that I want to use it for, and then we're going to go ahead and upload that again. And I'm just going to grab a different PDF for demonstration purposes, click Insert into Table, and again, I'm going to change my link text to what I want it to be, and click OK. And now we can go ahead I'm going to go down to Save Changes. There are lots of other options here, and we can take a look at those some other time. What I want to do actually on this one, I'm going to, this first row here says Table Head Row. So this would be where the information is for like the title, the column titles. So let's see. I check the row that I wanted, and then I just clicked Insert. So now I can do, let's see, event name and event information, event date. So that will do some specific formatting on those. You can have it alternate the rows of the backgrounds and some other options here. We're going to go ahead and hit save again. And then if we come up here to the top, this little shortcode here is what we're going to paste into our page to see it. So let's go take a look. We're going to make a new page. I can put my title here. And we'll go ahead and publish that, and then we'll take a look. Okay, so I have an error here related to my theme because I am using my sandbox site, but as you can see, it entered all of my information in here nicely. I can click my download handout links, and it opens the PDF for it. And one of the things that TablePress does is give you the ability to sort the columns. So if you don't want it to be sorted, those settings can be changed on the back end. Let's go back and take a look. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. We're going to go back to TablePress and our list of tables. We're going to edit. So here we can say, if I turn off the use data tables, it will basically disable all of these other things, so they won't be able to be sorted and stuff, which is useful for this table, but sometimes you do want the tables to be able to be sorted by the user. So you can choose what you want to use, how you want to use that. Now, if I'm here and I want to add another row, now I have these in reverse chronological order, so if I wanted to add one to the top, I would check the row that I want it to be inserted above and click Insert. We're going to take that out, so I'm going to click that and select Delete. And let's say I want to add another row to the end. I'll just click the Add Row here, and then you can enter the information like you did before. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave some comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.